Hey guys, it's gonna be a short video. I just did a video on this after I got it rebuilt, and there was a headlight malfunction and one or two other little things that I didn't like, and I've now corrected those items, and I'm just gonna do a little quick video to show everybody that everything was working. I didn't demonstrate the power surge feature, which I still haven't even checked myself, so that'll be a first time run here too. So here we go. Half a bag is better than none at all. Alright, power surge. There we have it. The Hoover Decade 80, dust cup, all working. Have a good one.